Good morning, students. This is the first video of the chapter People as Resource, and this video has been made for class 9th. Now in this particular video we'll try to understand how people are resource, how the resource are used for the productivity of a country. The resource that is connected with the public has been termed as the human resource. Like any other resource that is present in our country, human being is also important resource. In fact, human being is the base of all the resources. We have to understand, it is written very clearly that people who are the part of the workforce are called human resources. People who are working, who are actually producing the economics, or who are actually the part of the economic activity are known as human resources. And by contributing the productivity, the human resource plays a very important role in the economy of a country. Any other resource will become useful once this resource is going to help it. And like we are investing in other resources, we need to also invest in human resource. So what are those investments? Those investments are training, education, healthcare. If we will properly invest these things in human resource, we can expect high production or high productivity and at last development from the human resource. And we already discussed that human resource is the most valuable resource because it is providing base to other resources, and in fact it is going to start the economic activity and it is going to act as a framework for other economic activities of the country. So let us discuss what are those economic activities. We need to understand here that what are those economic activities. So basically all the economic activities can be categorized into three types: primary activity, secondary activity and tertiary activity. So first of all, we need to understand what is economic activity. Economic activity is that activity which is going to generate income, which is going to become acceleration for the economy. And here human activity or human resource is completely involved in it, in production of economic activity. Now we need to understand one by one the different types of activities or the different sectors of economy. The first is written here, primary. So primary sector is mainly related with the agricultural activity. Secondary activity related with the production or factories or industries, and tertiary activities related with the services related to banking, transport, finance and different types of other services will come under the tertiary services. Now we are going to discuss in detail about the primary activity. So any economic activity that is related to agriculture, poultry farming, fishing, horticulture, animal husbandry, mining, these all are known as primary activity. Here natural resources are actually extracted in primary activity. So we are taking and we are extracting the natural resources, and this is primary activities. The people who are involved in this activity are known as primary actors or primary resources. Now secondary activities. Secondary activities is concerned with the manufacturing process. We may have seen that different products are being converted into the useful products, or different natural resources are being converted to useful product. So this is done in the factories or manufacturing units. So people who are engaged here are known as manufacturers, and basically the activity that is performed here is known as secondary activity. Now come to the third one, that is market activity. When some product or services is produced to be sold in the market, it is known as market activity. Related to this, one more is the tertiary activity that we already discussed, that tertiary activity is related to the service, in which the different types of services will be provided to the different segments of people, like transport, banking, communication. Now some activities are also there which are known as non-marking activity. We need to understand here that two types of activities are there. One is market activity, other is non-market activity. We need to understand here both the activities are equivalent or equally part of the service sector or tertiary sector. We need to understand here that market activities are related with the product, whereas non-market activities related to the services, and altogether these may count as tertiary activity. So we need to understand here in the market activity, basically the products are manufactured to be sold in the market. Even the services are granted also to be produced or to be sold in the market. But here non-market activity is primarily concerned with the services to different sectors, services to different people. So we need to understand that market activity and non-market activity both are very important activity under the economy. So what we discussed right now, we discussed that why human resources are very valuable. Human resources are very valuable because in order to run all the different activities, human beings are required. Human beings are required at all levels, be it manufacturing, be it production, be it agricultural activity. We can easily witness that how the farmer who is doing cultivation. So basically farmer is the primary actor. He is a human resource because he will convert the seeds into the food grains. Similarly, in the secondary activity behind the machine, who is operating the machine? Behind the machine, mechanics are there, workers are there. So these are very important human resources. Similarly, in the market services or in the non-market services, here the valuable people are there behind this activity, and they are going to accelerate the process. They are going to think about the production. They are going to think about the different types of services, and this is how the services is or different types of products are reaching the different people, different segments of people, and are actually fulfilling their requirements. So we need to understand here that all these activities are performed only with the help of human resources, and that is why people are being used as a resources to perform all these economic activity. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.